Our next MCQ is: waxes are formed by the combination of fatty acids with option A alcohol, option B glycerol, option C serine, option D cysteine. Our correct answer is A alcohol. Alcohol, when combined with fatty acid, they produce waxes. Our next MCQ is: phosphodiester bond is. Let's see, these are 4 types of bond, and our correct answer is C. How it is correct? Let's see. This is phosphate group, and there are 2 types of bond are present with the phosphate. This is ester bond, this is one ester bond, and this is an other ester bond, so it become phosphodiester bond. Other options are incorrect. This is not correct option. This is also not correct bonding of structure, and this is only monoester phosphoester bond, not phosphodiester bond. So our correct answer is C. Our next MCQ is: an enzyme required magnesium ions to catalyze substrate. The magnesium ions is best identified as option A prosthetic group, option B activator, option C coenzyme, option D inhibitor. Our correct answer is B activator. Our next MCQ is: this figure represents which type of inhibitor? Option A non-competitive, option B competitive, option C irreversible, option D isosteric. Let's see at the picture. This is inhibitor, and it is acting at enzyme. This site of enzyme is allosteric site, which is, I am giving a yellow color. This is allosteric site, and this is active site of enzyme, and at the active site substrate is binding, while the inhibitor is binding at the allosteric site here. So this inhibitor is not competing with the enzyme at active site, so our correct answer is A non-competitive inhibitors. Our next MCQ is: according to which type of model the active site of enzyme is modified as the substrate interacts with the enzyme? Option A induced fit model, option B lock and key model, option C Amel-Fisher, option D fluid mosaic model. Our correct answer is A induced fit model. Let's see how it is correct. Amel-Fisher is scientist, it is not a model, and fluid mosaic model is present in cell membrane. Both models are present in enzyme activity. Option A induced fit model and B lock and key model. And our question is: as the active site of enzyme is modified as the substrate interact with enzyme, mean enzyme activity is related with substrate, and only active site of enzyme is changed as the substrate approaches the enzyme. So the correct answer is A. Our next MCQ is: which one of the following graph shows how the rate of reaction of pepsin is affected by pH? Correct answer is D. How it is correct? Let's see. Pepsin is an enzyme that has activity best at pH 2. So in this graph, pepsin activity increases at pH 2 and now is decreasing at other pH. So we can say that, and we can understand pepsin work best at optimum pH 2. So this is the correct answer. Our next MCQ is: all viruses can reproduce within living organisms only, so they are known as option A, ectoparasites, option B, endoparasites, option C, obligate intracellular parasite, option D, facultative intracellular parasites. Our correct answer is C, obligative intracellular parasites. Our next MCQ is: many bacteria are motile due to presence of option A, flagella, option B, villi, option C, cilia, option D, microtubules. Our correct answer is A, flagella. Our next MCQ is: which one of the following is an invagination of cell membrane which helps in cell division? Option A, fimbriae, option B, nucleate, option C, mesosomes, option D, endospore. Our correct answer is C, mesosome, because mesosomes are the invagination of cell membrane that help in cell division. Our next MCQ is: which one of the following is a yeast that grows in the mucous membrane of mouth or vagina? Option A, Candida albicans, option B, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, option C, Aspergillus fumigatus, option D, Aspergillus flavus. Our correct answer is A, Candida albicans, because Candida albicans is a yeast that causes oral and vaginal thrush in the mouth and vagina. Mouth and vagina. Our next MCQ is: Tinea is an endoparasite of human, pig and cattle which belongs to phylum. Option A, Cnidaria, option B, Escalmantis, option C, Annelida, option D, Platyhelminthes. Our correct answer is D, Platyhelminthes. Our next MCQ is: body of which one of the following organism consists of segments called proglottids, which contain mainly sex organs? Option A, planaria, option B, ascaris, option C, fasciola, option D, tapeworm. Our correct answer is D, tapeworm. Our next MCQ is: which one of the following organism is a common parasite of intestine of human and pig which belongs to phylum Nematoda? Option A, Tinea solanum, option B, Schistosoma, option C, Ascaris lumbricoides, option D, Fasciola hepatica. Our correct answer is C, because Ascaris lumbricoides only belong to a Nematoda and is shown here. Our next MCQ is: in radial symmetry, all body parts are arranged around a central axis. Radial symmetry represents which one type of mode of life? Option A, sessile mode of life, option B, streamlined mode of life, option C, active mode of life, option D, parasitic mode of life. Our correct answer is A, sessile mode of life is present in radial symmetry.